Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. Amen. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet women fingerless gloves. Different color, different designs, different ideas in front of you one by one. I hope you like this collection, most attractive and most amazing collection. So dear friends, crochet is always beautiful, trendy, expensive, stylish also. So I suggest you to watch this video till then for more designs, more ideas about this collection. Dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet woman fingerless gloves and others like crochet woman long gloves, short gloves, and crochet baby material like crochet baby frog designs, crochet baby romper designs, crochet baby shoes designs, crochet baby cap designs, women cap designs, men cap designs, crochet women long dresses, short dresses, crochet women bodycon dresses, full sleeve, half sleeve, sleeveless, off shoulder, one shoulder dresses also, crochet women scarf designs, flowering scarf designs, crochet women pancho designs, caplet, cap shawl, circular jacket designs, sweater designs, open jacket designs, and crochet jewelry like crochet women necklace designs, earrings, bracelets, finger rings, and feet jewelry like crochet women anklet designs and baby anklet designs, many more things also. Always try to bring useful videos, useful content for you, so don't forget to like my videos, don't forget to share my videos with your friends, relatives, and also gives your feedback in the hammer section about the collection. How was the video, how was the design? So dear friends, you can contact me anytime. Now goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection, and please remember me in your prayers. Then goodbye.